Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Thank you. We are back with the OG video, what you guys came for. The hair, the mane, the afro, the puff. She's not looking too fantastic right now, but we're about to get into what you guys love all the time, which is my wash day. I know it's been a while since you've seen it. This time around I will not be getting in the shower like I did the first time I ever made this. But you know how it's done anyway, how to wash my hair. So obviously we're just gonna jump in to how the hair looks at the moment, which is something else. So this is how my hair looks. It is dry. It is brittle and it needs a lot of love and attention and a trim. I did give it a trim recently. Let me show you. I did give it a trim recently, however, I haven't really been doing too much with it, so it needs kind of another trim. So that's my hair for now. So what I'm gonna do, which is very different from most other people, or maybe it's not, who knows. I'm going to, again, tell you what products I'm going to be using, everything that I'm going to be using. I'm going to link it all down below. To be honest, most of the stuff has remained the same. These days, I also use what is available to me at the time. So, you know, I don't really readily go out and buy other things and things like that. I just use what I have. So yeah. Let's jump straight into the video. What combs am I going to be using? My handy dandy comb. You guys know this bad boy from since whenever we started doing hair videos. I'm going to be using this one. I don't know what this comb is called. Detangling comb. I'm going to use this comb as well. My Tangle teaser. Is it a Tangle teaser? Denman brush, whatever it's called. The brush police will correct me. And obviously I'm going to be using these bad boys as well, my fingers, to finger detangle. So we're going to jump straight into the video as to what I'm going to be doing with my hair. This is what I do all the time, which works for me. I'm going to start off with shampoo this time around because I actually want to deep condition my hair for a long time and I want my hair to be clean when I deep condition it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shampoo my hair with the one I've been using, MANUKA Honey and MAFURA or Intensive Hydration Shampoo from SHEA Moisture. In this shampoo and conditioner, which I've been using for a while. I found it once and I've never ever turned back since. This is my favorite, my OG. I will rep by this. If I find anything better, I'll let you know. I haven't really been trying anything out anyway, so as we progress, as I do more videos, try more products, etc., this may change. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shampoo my hair because I know my hair is actually very dirty at the moment because I've been itching it. So I'm going to shampoo my hair. And then after I shampoo my hair, I'm going to come back and put a mask on it and I'm going to detangle that way. Because once I put my mask, I want everything that goes into my hair from there. Once it starts, you know, doing its thing, I want it to all be clean. I don't want it to be dirty stuff because I know my hair is dirty. If your hair is not dirty, then you can just go straight into putting your deep conditioner in or your conditioner. But my hair's dirty. But if my hair wasn't, I would have jumped straight into this conditioner, MANUKA Honey MAFURA or Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. This is fantastic for type 4 hair. Fantastic. I honestly love it. It's one of the best SHEA Moisture masks for type 4 hair. To the point where, look, It's bad. This is really, really bad. But we're gonna make it work. As well as you can use the Sheer Moisture, the conditioner. If you are going to buy, if you're tight on a budget, I recommend buying these two, not the conditioner, because these two are sort of the same. The shampoo and the conditioner and this are pretty much the same. Anyway, I'm doing a lot of talking, so let's get into actually doing my hair. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to take my spritz bottle and I'm going to spray. I want to spray the roots of my hair because that's where I want to really concentrate my shampoo, just at the roots. Then as I wash it, the ends will be washed anyway. But I just want to dampen my hair so that it has, I can have a slip, you know, going on. Alternatively, if you're in the shower, you can just wet your hair in the shower. Then I'm gonna go in with my shampoo. Then I want to really get into my scalp and just clean it out. Make sure it's nice and clean so that I don't feel the itchiness anymore. And obviously so the scalp is clean. I like to use my fingernails to really get in there. Massage the areas, get the dirt and debris out. Now, as we know, shampoo is always very dry, regardless of which shampoo you use. So you don't want to add it too much on your ends here, which will already be dry because they don't get much moisture. This feels really nice, so you'll love to do this for a while. So you just want to make sure that all your scalp is covered and has been nicely cleaned. As you can see, I'm not touching this at all. This is not the time to be trying to detangle your hair. It's not the time. Your hair will break if you try and detangle it right now, or if you try and detangle it with shampoo. Just don't. Right, now let me go wash it. I'm back. My hair is wet. I just washed the shampoo out. I didn't do anything else. And I've got my microfiber towel here. My dirty microfiber towel. And there's my hair. So it's gonna start shrinking. It hasn't fully shrunken yet, but it's going to continue doing that. Now your hair is a little bit more manual. Now your hair is a little bit more manual. Why won't it come out? Now your hair is a little bit more malleable. There we go. Had to think about it. And we can start detangling. We can also use our detangler etc. I'm going to section because I haven't detangled in a while, so I'm going to do it this way. This is usually the way that I do it anyway. I might do 6 to 8 sections this time around. You should be able to part your hair like this. If you cannot, add your shampoo, your conditioner in at this point now. But if you can part your hair like I can, because the back of my head is very loosely curled, so as you can see, it's already started. It's giving Jerry curl. The back of my head gives Jerry curl. We're gonna use our conditioner. So you can also use the actual conditioner. I'm using the mask instead. Now, if you're just doing a wash, you can just go in with your conditioner and rinse it out and stuff, but I want to do something intensive because my hair needs a bit of extra love. And I think it's always good regardless to just, at least once a month, find some time to do this for your hair. Make sure it's all coated evenly, like so, like that. And you'll know it's coated, especially if you have hair like me at the back. It will get longer and it will droop. I'm actually going to go back in and spritz more water into this area, because what I want for it is for the product to seep in. So I want it to be as damp as possible. That's why I have this other towel. I'm going to finger detangle first. Get rid of those tangles before I get into my comb. This one and this one. I'm going to start with my Y2, which is easy in this section for me, but once I get to the center of my head, it's a different story. Then I'm going to go with the other side. Then I'll go in with this detangling comb. And at this stage, you should be able to just go through, glide through. And I know I am done with this section. And your curls will be curling and popping off. They'll be so cute. Look at them. Some water dropping in my ears. Then I'm going to repeat this process. So I'm going to twist my hair just so it's out of the way, and this will help with the process of just retaining the moisture and allowing it all to seep in. Already this section has sort of dried, so I'm going to go back in with some water. Back in with some mask. Then I'm going to start from the bottom because that's where all the drama is. Just finger detangling. Then work my way further up. There we go. Easy peasy. By the end, you should be able to do this with no friction. Then you know you can move on to your combs. Because when you finger detangle, you have more control, less breakage. So those are my two back sections done. I'm going to do my middle sections. I usually like going to the sides because these are the parts of my hair that are easiest for me. So see this, don't be trying to pull it and fight with it. Go back in with some more water. Go in with some and add some slip. Then it should be easier for you to pull that apart. As I said before, if you know your hair is knotted like crazy, just go in and do an initial layer of conditioner. And don't forget to do the bottom because that's where most of the knots will be. Those are your senior citizens. They have a lot of knots and kinks in their joints. Like that. Then work my way up, 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 up. Make sure to stop when you feel some friction. Don't just rake through. If you need to stop and put more fingers to help them to help pry some stuff apart, you can, like that. Going to let it sit for about an hour or so in the product. While I let it sit, I'm gonna go cook dinner, and I'm gonna use my caps that I got, like 100 of them ages ago, to help retain the moisture. I'm also going to use my microwave heat cap, which has lost its elasticity, so it's now a microwave heat circle. I'll put that on my head and I'll put my bonnet on to help it sit. And I'll be back in about an hour or so. Bye. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I have my husband's robe on, which is unofficially my robe at this point because I can't even remember the last time homeboy wore it. Anyway, we had dinner. I cooked salsa and cabbage and some banging chicken wings, which I marinated yesterday. From now on, I'm going to be marinating my chicken wings the day before because I could eat 6 of them. Anyway, let's finish the video. It's like 11 now. Good thing there's no work tomorrow. It's public holiday. So, as you can see, I don't know what's going on here. I have my satin bonnet, which I would take off, which is holding my heated bonnet. So, this is my mask, which I had on. And I re-microwaved my bonnet twice. So it's sort of been marinating for a little bit, which is good, which allows for the hair to, you know, seep in and stuff. So even now it's actually still it's hot actually. It's very hot, which is good. Don't mind my lips. Does anyone else do this habit where they like when they put Vaseline on their lips, they want to put it over? I do it all the time and I forget, and I'll be doing it at work. Like I do it at work sometimes and I have to like go back and like correct myself, like relax, tatenda, like just put it on your lips. Don't be putting it all over your lips. But when I go to sleep, I smother that on. Wow, look at that. Wow. Oh, look at her. So I'm just gonna undo them all, and then I'm gonna wash the bad gal. Oh, got a bit of a... Actually, what I should have done in this process was chop some of these off, some of the ends. This is a perfect time to chop. Do your little snip snip if you need. I actually did this when I took my braids out, so I'm not going to do it this time. Let me separate this bad boy. And this is telling you that you do need to do a snip. So this one, let me cut her off. Ladies and gentlemen, do not be afraid to cut off anyone causing you problems in your life. Get rid of it. There we go. Wonderful. Wonderful story. It baffles me like how my hair doesn't like shrink back to the way it used to. You guys remember when we first started watching me and my hair would be so small when it was shrunk? Now look at it. This is me. Yeah, my hair's shrinkage. This is no longer called shrinkage. So this is after about an hour and a half. And you'll be able to tell anyway that your hair is like very well moisturized and very healthy. You should be able to just run your fingers through. I'm just getting rid of some of those pieces that are falling off. This little bad boy's gotta go. So let me go wash my hair and I will be back in a jiffy. Now this bad boy here. See, when I say the back of my head is ridiculous, this back of my head is trying to be like 4A, 3C. What's going on here? And it doesn't have heat damage or anything because look at these curls. This is not giving heat damage. This is the longest portion of my hair and it's also the loosest curl texture everywhere out. Okay, now I'm back from washing my hair. Pardon me. I'm gonna show you guys what it's currently looking like. So always when I wash my hair, I like to put it in a little bun, twist it, and then put it in a bun. And it'll help with the drainage of the water. So you don't have water falling everywhere. All right, now this is what my hair is looking like after a nice wash. And detangle. Should just be able to run your comb, your pick through like this. That's how you know. Kuti. It's a kuti. That's how you know that your hair is done. My hair likes to get into little ringlet formations, as you can see. It's very cute though, I won't lie. Look at these. Look at the little cuties. And of course my love-hate relationship with the back of my head. Alright, she's gone in a little bit. Good on ya. Thank you for not embarrassing me. Not as much as I wanted, but anyway. So this is my hair. This is my hair wet. This is my hair after it's been detangled, shampooed, deep conditioned. Now we're gonna get into just prepping it for whatever you want to do. Depending on what you want to do will depend on how you prep it. I am going to prep it with the intention of stretching it, dry stretching, not using any heat, as well as just general maintenance. So because I want to do my hair again tomorrow, I want to do something else. I am going to do something that's easy for me. Should I not? I'm thinking, should I do 2 cornrows or should I do... Let me do it the proper way. Let me not be lazy. Let me get my handy dandy products that I am using at the moment, or have always used. You guys know the drill. Sheer Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This bad boy here. Focus please. This bad, or should I say gal? Bad girl and CANTU. As per usual, argue with your mother about CANTU. Use what your hair likes. My hair likes CANTU. Also, should I say CANTU? My hair likes CANTU since the beginning of my natural hair life. So I'm just going to continue to use it. I like the SHEA Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie because it smells nice, and I found it works with my hair. So I don't know what I've done again. I'm going to section my hair. Sectioning your hair will save your life. Honestly, when it comes to natural hair, it is a godsend. It'll save you just a lot of time, and it'll make it a lot more manageable. And I always use hair ties. You can use clips if you want. So if I wanted to, sometimes I actually do wear my hair like this. So is it wash and go, stay. But I'm gonna prep my hair for stretching. So as you can see, this is where my hair is at now. I recently did cut off a couple centimeters off the end because drama mama, it was just too much drama. I'm going to go in with CANTU. Make sure it's fully coated. Then I'm going to go in Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And I'm sort of saturating, but not really. Let me see if I can show you how much is. I can't, but I make sure that my hair is fully coated. And you see already it's starting to, the curls are more enhanced. Focus on the hair, not on me. I could literally put this all on my hair and then just, I might actually do this one day. I love it. Wow, I haven't seen it like this in a long time. Honestly guys, I literally have not done this process in so long, as in like proper care and maintenance of my hair since the start of the year, before we got into wedding gear mode 10. So either you can go 2-strand twists, or you can do braids. If you're gonna do braids, okay, let me think. If you want to stretch your hair out as quickly as possible in the least amount of time, then go for a braid and finish your braid off with a 2-strand twist. So I would braid all the way up until here, then do a 2-strand twist. If you are not too fussed about it, but you also want to keep some of your curls that are popping out, do a twist. For today, I'm going to do a twist because this has been my go-to for the moment, because I'm lazy these days. I don't want to spend too much time trying to undo the braid, because for it to work, the braids need to be quite small. So this would be the size of the braid, but it would be tighter. Then after I finish braiding all the way down, I'm going to finish the end with some oil. I would choose a thicker oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil. I'm using argan oil. Just a little bit goes a long way. I'm using Make for smooth and shiny hair argan oil. And I'm just gonna put that on the ends and twirl it around in my finger. This is also a perfect time to go in and chop your little endsies, some of the ones that have been causing you problems. And this is the final product. Please disregard my twist. I don't know what's going on here. It looks better when it's not stretched. Anyway, repeat the process. Copy and paste process. CANTU. You can also go in with your comb if you want to go in with your comb again, just to really make sure you've gotten all those kinks and knots out. CANTU. After CANTU, coconut and hibiscus. You can also go in with your oil here as well if your hair is particularly dry. Very, very dry, just a little bit. It also adds shine. If you're gonna set it, you know, if you want to go out or something like that, I would put some oil because it adds that extra shine for healthy glowing hair. So this is what I mean. I hope you can see it. See how when I start to twist this product that's sort of seeping out? That's what you kind of want to do, because that product is going to be absorbed. So you won't see that product by the time you undo your hair. Some of it will be in your bonnet and some of it will be in your hair. That's why it's important to wash your bonnet. So those are the two bad boys done. The overachievers. Then I'm gonna do my sides. I told you I always do the same because the middle of my hair is the toughest. Now that I finished with that, I'm gonna go in with some oil, some argan oil. You can use any oil that you want on my parting. So I'm gonna put a drop for each part. So you want to be quite liberal with this because you want to spread it to all the areas. The good thing about this oil is that it just seeps in. You want to put it on your hair as well. Don't forget your hairline. Your hairline needs love too. And to rub it in just a little bit. You don't want to cause too much frizziness, just in case you want to use this for a style tomorrow. I'm not using it for a style tomorrow. I'll probably just have a puff. But that's done. Then the way that I like to put it away for the night is I like to pull. This helps in the stretching process. Pull, and tie it up into a nice tight little pony. Not too tight, you don't want to cause commotion. Then like that. Then you use the other hair tie. You want to use one of your hair ties to tie. So pull and tie. Then you want to use the other hair tie to tie the next section. And you want to pull again. But not too tight because you don't want to leave a dent. And you want to put it away for the end of the night. So you can repeat this process a couple of times to get your desired stretch. If you're not going to sleep, I recommend that you leave it out to air dry because most likely it won't be dry by the time you wake up. So finally, hey, we got there in the end. That's the end of the video. That is my current wash day routine. So what I'm doing at the moment. Stay tuned for the next video on what the hair will look like and how I prep it for a style that I'm going to use or that I'm going to wear. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Have a great night.